Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. It is your hostess, Sarah Michaels here, helping you create content that's going to help you get seen and stand out online. This is specifically for content creators, influencers, and network marketers. And in this video, I want to show you how you can download an app called Frndly and how you can use that to download like graphics, short little videos, things like that from Facebook or YouTube. You can use it for YouTube to be able to use for your stuff. Now, keep in mind that you cannot use this app for any malicious content. Please, if you are part of my Inner Circle coaching community here, you are only allowed to use this for your personal profiles, okay? So just keep in mind that you have to be respecting the copyright, the creativity, and the privacy of the group. So make sure that the content that you are downloading is available for public use and is not someone's personal property. This is especially true if you happen to be a network marketer. I know sometimes it gets a little crazy and people just think that they can download everyone else's stuff, and that is not the case. If you don't have permission, do not download it, okay? Now that we have that out of the way, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and download this app here. It's called Frndly, Frendly. It's got that little little weird looking guy on it. So let's say that I am part of a group, and so let's just pretend you're in my content creators inner circle and you want to download one of the content drops so that you can easily use the graphics or promos on your own page, in your own group, with your own team or whatever, okay? Now, keep in mind, if you are in my content creator group here, if you have not purchased a license for your team, you can only use this on your personal profile, okay? So just keep that in mind. So if you wanted to download this right from Facebook, the Frndly app will let you do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the app, log into Facebook, and then from the app, once you're logged in, you will just go to... I want you to, let's see here. We're going to click the search button and we're going to type in, let's say, SM VIP Inner Circle. And once you have this pulled up, what we can do is you're going to scroll down to the content drop or the post or whatever that you want to download. And you'll see in the lower right-hand corner of the post, there is like a cloud with a down arrow. And then you can see that there are photos or videos, or you can click on the actual video that you want to download. So for example, you can see right here, if there's a video you want to download, click on the actual post, click on the down arrow, and then click on the arrow down button, and that will download it for you. Another application is if you are part of a in network marketing and you want to, so for example, if you were part of like a team page or something and you wanted to be able to download corporate graphics or share them with your team or whatever, that makes it really easy to be able to do that. Or if you have a team, so for example, if I wanted to go in here, I can go into our team's private page here, and this makes it really, really easy for team members to be able to download graphics for them to use, okay? So for example, if we wanted to do like post samples, post videos, post graphics, if you are creating those for your team, you can then upload those in here, and as long as your team has the Frndly app, they're gonna really simply and easily be able to download those graphics to use. So I really hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and just a heads up, if you have not yet, or you're not yet in the SM VIP Inner Circle for content creators, and you are interested, I will be opening that back up shortly. So let me know if you want to hop on the wait list. I will put a link somewhere. Otherwise, just send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram and just say that you're interested in the content creators inner circle. Okay. All right. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you're watching this on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.